Welcome to Udable.com.
आपको ये ऑडियो लगातार 7 दिन तक दिन में 3 बार सुनना है, जिससे आपकी इंग्लिश बेहतर होगी। I am Rohan. Who am I? I am Rohan. I am at the school. Where am I? I am at the school. I am ready. I am not late. Am I ready or late? I am ready. This is Pooja. She is my classmate. Who is she? She is my classmate. She is at the school too. She is not late. Is she late? No, she is not late. This is Aman. Who is this? This is Aman. He is my classmate. Who is he? He is my classmate. He is in the classroom. Is he in the classroom? Yes, he is in the classroom. The school is big. Is the school big? Yes, the school is big. Look at the board. It is clean. How is the board? Clean or dirty? It is clean. It is white. It is not dirty. We are together. We are ready. How are we? We are ready. We are classmates. We are not late. Are we late? No, we are not late. Pooja and Aman are my classmates. Who are Pooja and Aman? Pooja and Aman are my classmates. They walk. They are very ready. They are not late. Are they ready or late? They are ready. You are my classmate too. You are here with us. You are ready. You are not late. Are you late? No, you are not late.